A fast-growing e-commerce brand was facing big problems. Orders weren't syncing. Products were mismatched. Errors were hard to understand. Fixes took hours. Stock issues cost sales. Teams chased logs instead of growth. That's when they turned to Ksolves Shopify AI Connector for Odoo. We built an intelligent, AI-driven bridge between Shopify and Odoo. Product mapping made simple. Orders and inventory are synced in real time. When errors occurred, AI explained them in plain language. Clear causes, step-by-step fixes. No manual debugging. Over 130,000 orders synced in 1 hour. Debugging time reduced by up to 70%. Accuracy locked in. Operations on autopilot. This isn't just a connector. It's intelligence built into integration. Let AI do the heavy lifting while you grow your business. Book your personalized demo today for Ksolves Shopify AI Connector for Odoo.